Before you watch Diogo Jota's son crying video, I humbly request everyone to please write "rest in peace" in the comments. Diogo Jota had 3 beautiful children who now have to face this cruel world without their loving father. Just imagine the pain in their little hearts. It's truly heartbreaking beyond words. Life is fragile and so unpredictable. Never take a single moment for granted. Rest in peace, legend. You will forever live in our hearts. Today, the football world has fallen into deep silence and tears. Portuguese star Diogo Jota, a name that meant hope, passion and magic on the field, has tragically left us forever. He wasn't just a footballer. He was a dreamer who inspired millions with every step, every goal, every smile. But now, that smile is gone. And in its place, an endless darkness for his fans, and most painfully, for his family. His 3 beautiful children will now grow up without their superhero dad. His wife has lost her best friend and strongest supporter. We have lost an artist of the game and a kind-hearted soul. No words can truly capture this heartbreak. The stadium lights will never shine the same again. The songs, the cheers, all echo his name, but he won't be there to hear them. Rest in peace, Diogo Jota. You will live on in every tear, every memory, every beat of our broken hearts.